Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install EndeavourOS Galileo on VirtualBox 7.0. So before we proceed to install, please install the updated version of VirtualBox. So this is the latest release of VirtualBox 7.0.12. It's a current latest release as of now. Okay, so first step is I am going to create one new EndeavourOS virtual machine. So EndeavourOS is the clone of Arch Linux. Okay, EndeavourOS is the clone of Arch Linux. So I am creating one virtual machine name. Next, I am providing the directory path where EndeavourOS virtual machine is getting stored. Next, I am browsing the ISO image, DVD ISO image of EndeavourOS Galileo, which I already downloaded from EndeavourOS website. Okay, type Linux, vendors will be Arch Linux. Okay, so flavor of Arch Linux. Okay, next I am going to allocate 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores. Next, I am going to allocate 40 GB virtual hard disk. Okay. Once again, I am going to go settings, system motherboard, uncheck the floppy. Optical drive will be the first device in boot order. Pointing device will be USB tablet. Network NAT. Okay, we need internet connection. So we need internet connection in order to download the packages. Okay. So let us start the EndeavourOS Galileo. Okay, so you can see many options in the boot menu. Okay, so I am going to select the first one, EndeavourOS default. Okay. Okay, so this is the live CD. Okay, you can see the desktop is arrived here. This is EndeavourOS desktop running from live CD. Okay, so first time what I am doing, I am adjusting my display configuration. So that you can see in full screen. Okay. Okay, so good desktop. Okay, now click the icon install system. So you can see the button start the installer. Click the button start the installer offline. So we are going to do offline installation. First we are going to do offline installation. Then only we are going to download the extra packages. Okay. So installation screen has arrived. So select your location. Okay. Keyboard. Okay, keyboard, bootloader, grub bootloader. Okay, now I am choosing erase disk. Okay, I am choosing erase disk. Swap no hibernate. I am selecting. Okay, swap with no hibernate. Okay, so I am going to create one login user. Provide the name to the computer, that is host name. Next step. Provide the password for the login user. Next, provide the password for the root user. Okay. So let us proceed to install. That's it. So installation is completed. Now what I am going to do, I am going to power off the EndeavourOS VM. Shut down. Okay, once again go to VirtualBox settings, system, motherboard. So hard disk will be the first device in boot order. Okay, now reboot EndeavourOS. Okay, I have successfully logged in. Okay, here one important step. I am going to update the mirrors. Okay, click the button update mirrors. Okay, so this will update the EndeavourOS mirrors. Okay, so very important step. Then only you can download the packages, updated packages. Okay, update mirrors. Okay, next what I am going to do, I am going to adjust my display configuration. Okay, now I am going to open the terminal and run the command sudo pacman -s VirtualBox guest utils. So this command will install the guest edition from the internet. Okay, so provide the password. You can see that VirtualBox guest util will be downloaded from the repository. Proceed with installation, yes. Okay, so VirtualBox guest utils, that is guest editions, is installed successfully by EndeavourOS. Okay, so this guest edition is a updated one. Okay, guest edition version is equal to VirtualBox version. Okay, so no problem for us. Okay, once again go to VirtualBox settings, Shared Clipboard, drag and drop is enabled to bidirectional. Next I am going to mount one shared folder from Windows source machine. So instead of trying drag and drop, please try this shared folder. You can transfer files using shared folder very easily and quickly. Okay, click auto mount. Okay, that's it. So I enable the shared clipboard and shared folder features. Let us see what's going to happen. Okay, now I open a terminal, going to type some commands. Okay, after typing the commands, I am going to copy this terminal output. Okay, terminal output to the Windows host machine notepad to check whether shared clipboard feature is working or not. Okay, let me copy the terminal output. Go to Windows host machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. Let me try from Windows host machine to the Galileo virtual machine. So shared clipboard feature is working fine for me. Now let me check the shared folder. So you can see that shared folder will be available in media directory. Okay, so you can't directly access the shared folder. We need the root privilege. Okay, we need administrator privilege to access the shared folder. So I am going to access the shared folder via terminal. So login as a root user, go to cd/media. So under that you can see shared folder is there. Yes, I can able to access the content. So you can either copy paste from shared folder, or you can copy your content to shared folder, which is mounted. Okay, So instead of trying drag and drop, you can use this share folder feature. Okay, which is working fine. So finally, EndeavourOS Galileo installation on VirtualBox 7.0 is successful. So make sure that you have installed the updated version of VirtualBox. Okay, so guest edition, latest guest edition is available in Galileo repository. So for me it's not a problem. Okay, so guest edition is working fine.